Hey guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am scrapbooking a thank you note card. It's from my boss when she left. She just really wrote me a really thoughtful card, and I'm going to scrapbook that because that's the kind of things I like to scrapbook, along with pictures and all that stuff. But I like scrapbooking this stuff too. Well, that's not it. So either is that. So my SCT sampler kind of got tossed in here with my Kit with Style. So this is what I have. I got a bunch of stuff in the Kit, so I'm going to use that to scrapbook this. So let's see what I can do. Okay, so I am using this beautiful paper that goes from kind of this green all the way to a red. And I am going to go ahead and use some khaki colored cardstock as a base so that I can build some decoration where this note card is going to go. Now I thought I was going to use this heart paper, but ultimately I decided against it, and that is because it wasn't long enough. Like, I wanted the length of what the khaki colored cardstock was, and the heart paper just wasn't long enough. It would have been long enough if I would have cut the paper sideways, but then it wouldn't have been wide enough. So there was just all kinds of issues going on there. I did decide to go with this little scrap of striped paper that I had, and this is where I realized it doesn't fit. And I'm like, whoops, okay, we're gonna change this out. So I decided to go with the lighter pink paper. Now this is a close to my heart paper, but I think it is a good color match for what I have going on the layout with the These Days collection from Cocoa Vanilla. So I go ahead and get that on there, erase my little pencil line, add a little bit more adhesive because I don't want it popping up on me, and then I'm going to just put adhesive directly on the note card and place that down on the layout as well. I was trying to figure out which way I wanted it to go, and then I decided that my note card looked better over top of the pattern parts of the paper rather than just that plain old cardstock. The problem is the khaki colors don't exactly match from the note card to the cardstock, so I wanted a little bit of separation, and I feel like I definitely got that. So I had this black and white little floral piece, and it's just a little scrap of paper, and I thought, you know what? I'm just going to create a base. I have this paper here, you know, so I just went ahead and did it. Now, you might be thinking, you didn't really need a base, and you're right, I really didn't need a base, and I just felt like I wanted one. So, you know, sometimes you just got to do what you want to do. And doing this was that. So now I am looking for some sort of words. I have no idea what in the world I'm going to say about this. I don't know. This is like homey stuff, and I'm like, I really don't have the right words. So I just go around and I'm just keeping on looking at my stuff that is in my kit. I'm trying to get some sort of idea, some sort of plan to make this happen. And then I just decide, you know what, I'm just going to start decorating. And I want to decorate a little up here at the top. So I'm going to use these little banner pieces. They are hearts and stars. Now, I don't mind mixing hearts and stars. Some people get a little testy about it, but me, I am not one of them whatsoever. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down there. Now this cork heart says sweet. I was thinking about putting this yellow sticker here as well so that I could start building a cluster. The yellow sticker doesn't make it, and I end up covering up the sweet. So the whole idea and the whole plan changed. It's just the way it is sometimes. Now I was being careful to peel this sticker off because I did not want to rip that khaki colored cardstock. Now, every time I look at the sticker sheet, all I see is these stupid butterflies. Like, all I see. So I might even just take the butterflies off, toss them in the bin, and not even worry about it, so I can just see what I actually have. I ended up grabbing this chipboard word that says beauty, and I was like, I can do something. Like I was thinking about the beauty of friendship, the beauty of something, but then I couldn't find a word friendship, and then I end up making up another title. But as you can see, I have part of a title and part of the embellishment, and now I'm starting on another part of the embellishment. So I'm kind of all over the place. I'm not going in a rigid structural order where I'm like, okay, I have to decorate the background. Okay, I have to mat the photo or the ephemera. I have to do this. I'm just kind of working with what I have, and you know, I'm happily doing it. Happily doing it. So I grabbed these little Kaiser Craft letter stickers, and I like them because they are a khaki color. So I'm spelling out the beauty, and now I'm going to look at my gold word thickers because I'm trying to figure out what the heck I am actually going to put on here. And I decide to go with memories. So it's going to say the beauty of memories. And I feel like this is appropriate for this card. This is a card that my boss wrote me when she was leaving, and it's really heartfelt and really just, you know, it's heartfelt and it reaches deep into our relationship. So I thought that this was completely perfect for it. So now I'm going to add on a couple more letters so that my title is complete. So it says the beauty of memories. Now, since I've introduced this gold onto the page, I feel like I got to get the gold on the layout somewhere else. So that is kind of running through my head while I am figuring this out. So I decide that I'm going to decorate with some more word phrases, and I'm going to go ahead and do that with these green ones. Now I have two different green word phrases. One is from P13. I think the other one may be from P13. I'm not exactly sure. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but the green is a great match. Like the green matches really well with it, so I am just going to go with it. And then I'm going to bring in these white Prima flowers, these never-ending white Prima flowers. I have a lot of layouts this month with Prima flowers on it, so that's, you know, super exciting. I'm just using my Nuvo Deluxe adhesive to go ahead and get these adhered down. And then I'm going to pop on my favorite sparkly sequins and make the flowers have those centers on them. So, and again, I'm going to use the Nuvo Deluxe adhesive to make that happen as well. So now I've got these little sparkly bits along the layout, and I've got some decoration on the page, and I don't plan on journaling on this particular layout. I also have photos from the last day that my boss was here that I haven't had printed yet, but I figured I would do the journaling on those photos because they're very, you can see the emotion in the photos. So that is the plan there. So I am going to put a date up here on the label sticker in the heart. And I just write March 2021 because that is when it was. I cannot believe it's been that long. It feels like forever almost. So I'm trying to figure out if I want to add anything else, if there's any extra little bits that need to go on. And I feel like this little area over here next to the flowers is a little bit naked, so it needs a little something right there. So I find some more matching green word phrases that are appropriate and go ahead and get them down there as well. So I'm taking one last peek. I toy with the idea of adding some gold stars since I do have the gold word and the gold sparkly center to the flowers. However, you know, I just don't. I put the date on it and I call it done. There it is, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure, I don't know, make sure you have fun. Make sure you scrapbook. I really have no idea what I was going to say. No clue. But thanks for watching, and I will see you guys again real soon for another video.